Brownies.
Rock hard 50-year-old brownies. These are brownies.
Guys! Okay, turn it off.
Next, these meat packets of bacon have been here for as long as I can remember. They are also all rock hard. Next, bagels.
No, those are hamburger buns. No, wait, maybe they're cookies.
I don't know what they are, but they're also rock hard.
Did we show them the brownies? Oh, there used to be a cake and it had layers of ice on it. Okay.
Yeah, it was pretty cool.
Either.
What time they ate it?
I can't get it out.
What is it?
I think it's ravioli. That's what it says. Mushroom ravioli. Hey,
Wow.
show me. I want to see. Okay, this is my grandma's fridge.
What is it? Open it.
It's frozen.
Ew! Just put that lid back on and pretend like we never did anything with that. Next we have to show you an ice pack, which I do not know why we need in a freezer.
Oh, bread, and there's ice covered in ice.
I think it looks like an ice float.
Oh wait, look it. It's our famous grandma's soup. Soup. Turkey soup. 05. Right now, it is 05.
Awesome!
Apple pie filling.